Hello, businesses. It's the beginning of December, and welcome to the show, The Design in Business.
Okay, let me try. I want you guys to listen to me, and if somebody asks me what I do, I tell them that I design sandwiches.
I'm Priyam Shah, founder and CEO of Biscuit Media. I do business of design and I help people to solve their business problems. Thanks for tuning in to the show, The Design in Business. There are many speculations about difference between branding, marketing and advertising. But if you ask me which of them will grow your business, then I would say all of them. But the impact of each is different in the market. Let us start with branding. What is branding? According to me, branding is about understanding yourself. And it is also called the foundation of business. To understand yourself better, you need to answer these questions. Who are you? Who do you serve? How are you different? What problem do you solve for your customers? Let me give you an example. I am Priyam Shah, the brand strategist. I serve businesses with my strategies. I do business of design. I help people to solve their business problem. So now you will ask me, what is marketing? Marketing is the process of understanding your customers. It is the process. So what sort of questions comes to mind? Who are your customers and what they need? You need to develop the process. You also need to have the system of working. You also need to have the process of positioning the product. And also you need to communicate better. So in short, marketing is all about them and branding is all about you. So you must be curious to know what is the role of advertising into marketing and branding. So let me clear you. Advertising is paying someone to tell your customers about you. Advertising is also not equal to marketing. Advertising is the subset of marketing. Generally, businesses say they are not ready to market. That is, they are not ready to spend money on ads. And they are right. They are not ready to market. They are not ready to spend. Now there are many tools out there on the internet. Not required to pay someone to run ads. Unless you pay someone to run an ad on a platform you don't own. That is, you are not advertising. You are marketing. It is like you are paying the third party to run that ad on their platform. So ultimately, branding is all about you. Marketing is about customers. And advertising is about someone else. Now you must be having the question why it is important to know the difference between branding, marketing and advertising. Because the mindset we are not ready to market can keep a business stuck. That means you are not engaging in the marketing activities that will help to keep you in business. It is also important because sidestepping the work of branding keeps you from setting yourself apart. Without knowing your story, without knowing who you are, and you are doing what you are doing, you can't clearly communicate with your customers and tell them why you are doing different from your competitors. Yes, when there is so much of marketing is done in the market, your words don't matter. But using the right words at right time can make a difference in business. It does. When we use right terminology, we can be better understood. When we are better understood, we can do better work. And when we are doing best work, we can surely build a better business.